Sa kitibok na kong kinabuhi, kanang po kitag agta nga priting himsuga. Gabi pa, sosyalan. Wearing the mythical Queen Fairy of Trees in the foothills of Mount Apo. My name is Maria Carla Boscono Laude, the long-lost daughter of Madame Small Laude. Babashi, naniwa. Waving the banner of my city, the city of choice, ladies' choice and mayonnaise. Imaloya, tungish si Oka Oya, kay Jubat Oka Moschok Oya. Sa doy. Sa naga siya ay mukakap mo sa iyong mga tumak di aron ed mo malongkop. Shuri pa olar sa katubas. Waving my city, the city of choice, and the mango capital city of the Philippines, Digos City.
Filipino Community of Canada, Kylie Nicole Vega. Designer, Malaika Yamas.
Just as a rose blooms amidst the thorns, so can beauty be found amidst adversity. Bonjour Cebu! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat ug maayong gabi, syudad sa Subo. Je m'appelle Kylie Nicole Vega Ayala, Kuya Juan. Bringing with you the Filipino pride in the Americas, modern Trans-Pinay, celebrated in the great white north, saying that life is a rose, but watch out for the thorns, the Filipino community of Canada.
Filipino Community of USA, Samantha Roberts. Designer, Steffi Tugilon.
Uyang ay ebag sa ota nga nanaj. Coming all the way from the land of the strong, the brave, and the free. I am Samantha Roberts, a registered physical therapist in the United States of America, pursuing a doctorate in physical therapy at the University of Montana, and at the same time a business entrepreneur, owning my own company known as Silver Lining Therapy, representing the Filipino community of the United States of America. I am Samantha Roberts saying, gurang man sa inyong pananaw, wa mo kay baw, ako ray mo labaw.
Isabella, Jam C. Magyari. Designer, Christopher Solorio.
Jack, Queen, King, double, 10 times. Naimbag na rabiin Metro Cebu. This is Jam C. Malyari, ready for big win, mega win, and super win. All the way from the Queen Province of the North, where modernization meets tradition. Paldo, papaldo pa, hindi dalawa, hindi tatlo, nag-iisa, isa. Bella!